is from Nashville. Please welcome him. I love him. He's great. He's big. He's black. Please welcome Big George.
Big George! Yeah!
Thank you, Liz. How y'all doing tonight? Y'all gotta excuse me if I seem a little nervous and stuff, because last time I was in a room with a microphone in front of me and these many white folks, the judge thought I needed a state-issued vacation. So I did 9 months for smoking weed. They got me up there with rapists and murderers and everything. You can't be hard to them because you failed a piss test, you know what I'm saying? You be up there like, man, what you in here for, man? I just killed a man. For real? What you in here for, man? Drug charges. That's good. What you in here for? Man, I failed a piss test. If it wasn't for my size, I probably lose somebody's drawers and everything up in there. But being that we in the Bible Belt, I thought we'd speak on some religion today, you know what I'm saying? Because how many of y'all go to church on a regular basis? I like going to church when I go. You know, I don't go every Sunday, but I like going. But I like going to white churches because, you know, they quick, straight to the point. You know what I'm saying? Like white folks, I mean, especially during football season, because a white pastor will actually tell you, hey, I'm going to get y'all out of here in enough time so we can go tailgate. You know what I'm saying? But in the black churches, they make you feel bad for wanting to go watch the game. You know what I'm saying? They be like, I know some of y'all want to go watch the game. Wish you was at home with a brew in your hand. Cheering and screaming for your friend, for your team. But I just want to know, do you cheer for God like that? Do you scream and sing when he show his face? Is God not worth 3 hours of your time? When you go to white churches, man, their announcements, they be quick. They be quick, they be like, give credit to God. We made $673 in the cakewalk. Sister Margaret, your brownies were the best seller. How you back home doing so smart? I'd like to welcome Stevie Johnson back in Kuwait. Welcome to see you back, taking care of my country. Now maybe Betty Sue will have a reason to stay out of them bars. And I just want to welcome back Deacon Jones. Deacon Jones has been cleared for child pornography. Hey, Sunday school wasn't the same without you, Deacon Jones. Black folks announcements at black churches. I only got 6 minutes. I ain't got that much damn time. They give monologues, you know what I'm saying? They go on and on. I went to this one little church, man, the little pastor, you know what I'm saying? He's about as smart as George Bush. Like he read from the Bible verses, from the Cliff Note versions. He said, well, today we're going to read from Luke 8:17. And it reads, let me hear amen when you're there in your congregation. No, let me hear amen when you got it. And it reads, if you do it behind my back, it's just going to end up in my face. You know what I'm saying? You know, just to make it sweet and simple, if you do it behind my back, it's going to make up in your face. You know, it's going to end up in my face. Speaking of Chattanooga, you know what I'm saying? It's my first time to come down here doing comedy in Chattanooga. Chattanooga's big on sports. Where the sports fans at? Where the sports fans at? How many of y'all play high school football? I know about McCullough. I jumped the fence. I went to basketball camp at Tennessee Christian College. So we jumped the fence and got that pond in McCullough. Now if you're from Chattanooga, you know about McCullough School. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, but how many of y'all football fans, when y'all was in high school, would have went to Penn State if you had a scholarship? Don't be quiet now. Y'all were loud a few seconds ago. How many of y'all would send your sons to Penn State now? You know what I'm saying? I mean, but be for real though, you know, they trying to put all the weight on Joe, you know, but come on, man. How much dirt can you shovel on a dead man? You know what I'm saying? Let's see if you ain't got enough dirt on his head right now. You know what I'm saying? He dead gone. Joe can't come back and say, I ain't do that. I didn't know Jerry was doing that. But at least we know why their defense was so tight, you know. You mess up on Saturday? Oh, that was your ass come Monday morning. Hey, your ass in the bed. You know what I'm saying? You be in your dorm room, sitting on the floor. You be on the bed like this. You know what I'm saying? Waiting. You don't want to hear it, but then they come, you cowering on the bed in the fetal position. The next day, you know what I'm saying? You hear that? The starting nose tackle walk in. He holds his ass. He like, man, coach wanna holler at you. I appreciate y'all. Again, I'm Big George from